Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change fonts on Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and open your Shopify store. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Online Store, then select Themes. You'll see your current theme listed there. Click on the Edit Theme button and it will take you directly to the theme editor. Here, go to top left and click on Theme Settings option. From here, navigating to the Typography section. From there, you'll have the option to change the fonts for your headings, subheadings, and your main body text. To update the heading font, simply click on the Select Font drop-down and a menu will open up in the right side where you can select any font that you like. Browse through the available fonts. When you select one, it will instantly apply across your entire website, so you can preview how it looks. If you're happy with the new style, click on Done to confirm the change. The same process applies to your subheadings and the body text. Just click on Current Font Style, pick a font you like from the right side menu, and preview it across your store. Once you find one that works well, select it to apply the update. You can also adjust the font size by using the scale slider. Once you have selected your preferred font, click on the Save button at the top right to save your changes. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can change fonts on Shopify. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.